Ginny Springs. So this is where we were pulling in, and there's a big old sign there that says no pets. But the app says that pets are allowed. It says pet friendly. Ginny Springs, no pets. See, they should have like a pet area way back here.
Yeah, they have a lot of space here. That's
They got tons of space.
Occupied, where they can actually let people come with pets.
Exactly. Just throw my ass all the way the hell out here. I'll be happy out here. So here's the entrance over here. We already have a pass, so we can go left, but we're gonna go right because we want to go to the office and see if we can go canoeing or whatever. What's the latest to have like the canoe rentals or kayaks or whatever goes on here?
You should be able to rent them now. It'll have to be back in by like 8 or 9.
Okay, cool.
Okay.
Thanks.
Yeah, it's actually good double dose. Life jackets, you don't have to wear them.
You got XXX?
Yeah, and you can just grab the key, you know, and I'll just carry all this.
All right, I got it. Thanks.
Don't kill yourself. Oh, cool. And they close like you said 8 or 9.
So we'll drive over there. Oh, they're squirting the hell out of her over there. Well, we'll drive around in a circle and...
So here we are, stuck. Somebody got out of that truck to pick you out and left. So we are thinking if we just move these two vehicles that are not appropriately parked as well on the right side, and if we move those two vehicles, then everybody can just go through and get to where they need to go. So we'll see.
That's what I'm talking about. America!
So yeah, now everything is blocked. You cannot go from any side because of just a couple of cars that just parked.
Whoa, what happened?
They parked here and then some guy parked on that side, so now neither side can go anywhere. So...
Hey! Nick! You think 3 of us can pick that back end up and move it over?
that was the idea.
Let's fucking do it. Let's go by hand. Yeah, it's gonna take more than 5.
All right, let's do it.
One, wait. 1, 2, 3.
So we screwed up again. We have to go like 2 springs further. So we found a perfect spot, but now we have to go to a different one.
Yeah, we found a perfect parking, but we got to get out of here because we're at the wrong spot. Now these people have the spot. Look at that.
Yeah, that's nice.
Yeah, right next to the water. That's a good spot. Getting restless?
Yeah, we've been here for like at least 10 minutes.
10 minutes more than that. Half an hour. I don't know. What time is it? 5:33.
I mean, in this line particularly, it's just not moving anywhere.
I'm done. All right, moving.
2015, baby! Woo!
I have a feeling we're again on the wrong path.
We can't find the damn canoes. Oh wait, there's a canoe right there, but that's somebody's. I said, there's a canoe right there. I'm gonna ask him.
We made it.
Look what we found.
So now who we ask?
We gotta look for number 5 and just grab it.
Oh, okay. Does it say 5?
It says 7. So they have these locked, and I guess we gotta get them ourselves over here. Let me go see where we gotta put it in. Let's take a walk over there.
That's where we're going.
There's a big barge.
Like, where you going? Hey, you guys got it. What?
Okay, Captain, keep turning. We've been paddling upstream and now we're tired, so it's time to take a break.
You've been paddling. You are tired.
You're right, I've been paddling, so that's why I need to take a break.
Let's go.
Yeah, off to work. I'm already tired.
We're gonna swim.
Look, floating jello shots. Let's see. There's a jello shot in there. It's still full. Look at that. Look at that.
Take it.
Look at that. Jello shot, jello shot. Who wants a jello shot? Look. It's still good. You smell it. Oh, it smells good, but I'm not gonna. Let's give a hoot, don't pollute. Keep it.
Hello.
Yeah, you see him?
I put a quart of Patron premix margarita. I fucked up. I made a mistake. What happened? You gonna go backwards now? Go.
Done.
So what'd you think?
Tomorrow we'll take a tube.
Tomorrow we'll take it too.
It just floats on its own.
Oh, a tube. I thought you said tomorrow we'll take it too. Oh. Yeah, because the tubes just go by themselves. See, there's the tube trail. Amila's posing over there.
That's what we'll do tomorrow.
The tube?
Tube.
Basically what you gotta do is you gotta follow this trail all the way upstream and then you just float down. But we gotta walk all the way hell over there somewhere. So I had some gas, some guys were asking me for gas, so I filled up their generator. But while I was gone, Mila was standing here and what happened?
And some kids drove by and said, "Tits for beads?" I said, "No, guys."
Tits for beads. Mila wasn't flashing anybody. Come on, we could have got some beads.
But it was funny. Okay, I'm waiting.
Okay, all right.
Springs is the shit. You need to look it up. And Jamie Harrison, the lobster. Boobs, barbecue, and beer.
And ass.
Boobs, barbecue, and beer. There you go. Go ahead.
Jenny Springs 2015.
That first time happened in my life.
First time somebody's ever asked you to see your tits for beads?
Yeah. And it didn't work.
What would it take?
Definitely not beads.
Cash?
We'll talk.
How much? How much cash?
You show me money, honey. We'll talk.
All right, headed back to the RV. We just bought a watermelon off this guy in the street. $3.
Yeah.
Travelers Campground. Home sweet home. Look at all the birds she has over there. I hear them screaming.
10 of them.
We only have one. Oh wait, Mila, hold on. I want to see if Amber smiles. All right. Let's see our little Amber. Let's see if she smiles. Where is she? Amber. 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 Amber, where are you? Hi. 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 Let me see the smile. Come on, smile, smile. Amber, smile, smile, smile. Let me see, smile, 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 smile. Let me see, she smiles. See, look at that. Look at that. Sorry, Coco. I know Coco's looking at us like we didn't give him attention. Let me see the smile. Let me see. Amber, smile.
She's done.
She's done smiling.